What is up, guys? Silent Chat here, and today I am opening up some cards with my brother. We are opening up the Halloween packs. I'm not even sure what Halloween packs these are anymore. I don't know if these are the new ones. They must be the... Or they were last year's. I don't remember. We're just going to try to cruise through these quick. And about the only things... I mean, we more or less do this just to get a set of it. But I don't know where you want to set those, but we'll separate the hollows again from the regulars. But I just kind of want to get a master set of this, and pretty much all we do it for. The only other thing that would be kind of cool to get would be a misprint, but I know those are pretty far and in between. Other than that, have you guys been opening up any cards? If so, what are you trying to get? We will have a more interesting opening in the next couple of weeks. Maybe not, or maybe even next week. This is just something small and fun to open up. Not going to be as in-depth with editing and everything as I typically do with this one, just because it's nothing too crazy, you know what I mean? Just nice little sit down and opening up some cards with my bro. What do you want to get out of here if there would be a misprint? Which one? I don't care. He doesn't care. He just wants anyone, right?
Yeah.
I'm not even sure what cards are all in here. So far I've seen Chandler, Pikachu, and the pony one. We have Dusknoir. I'm not even looking that close at the regular cards. Just have them all sprawled out on the table and cranking through them. Just a nice little chill opening. That'd probably be the one that you would probably want, is Gengar.
No.
No! You want the dog, don't you? I was like, you want the dog misprint.
No.
Houndoom? Another dog? Getting excited for Surging Sparks coming out. I don't remember exactly what day, but it's got to be getting close, I would assume. Probably like next month, I'm guessing. We haven't done any openings for a little bit, and figured we'd get this one out of the way just because it takes quite a while. That's the first Marshadow one I've got, and for some reason I thought Shuppet was a misprint at first. I was like, nope, it's just the shadow. Just the shadow of his eyeball. In my last video I posted, it was weird. My camera like randomly went out of focus, and I don't know why it's been acting up lately. I had the microphone issue. One video where it almost sounded like a dog barking, but I have no dogs in the house. And then the very next time we recorded it, randomly went out of focus, so weird stuff. Not the first time we had something weird happen when we were recording, huh?
Yeah. Ghost.
One of my old videos, we had our door slammed. That was downstairs when we used to do this upstairs before I had this whole office area done. It was kind of weird. Hopefully the camera for our faces is all good through this video. I did try changing a few settings in hopes that it doesn't randomly not focus anymore, but won't really know until we watch it back. Today I found one of my, well, me and Silent Delta and Silent Shadow's old Twitter accounts from 2013 when we were making videos. Nothing too crazy on there, just some random links to probably old videos that don't probably exist anymore. Our old Minecraft series.
Yeah.
If I can get it, maybe I'll put the logo on the screen. Last time I tried doing something off Twitter, though, it kind of got blurry, so I don't know. I don't understand the editing software sometimes like that. Makes some stuff randomly blurry. We are getting there. There's probably maybe 10 packs-ish. I think this had 50 packs. Maybe not 50, maybe it was 40.
50.
It was 50. I know, like, one had like 25, I think, when we did it, or 20. And then a new one was bigger, like 40. Probably did the small one first. I don't mind the Halloween sets too much. But when we first bought them, we bought way too many. Now we can get away with, like, one. Trying to find the date. If it's on here. See... 2023, so this must have been last year's. That's how far behind we are. We haven't... we didn't even have stuff open from last year or the year before that. Like I said, we were busy making this room and a couple other things going on. Down to 2 packs. I have not seen a misprint or anything crazy. What about you?
No.
You're like, I got 10 crimps, I just didn't tell you. That was my last pack. We're doing his last pack. You got Mimikyu. If you guys enjoyed, remember to hit that like, comment, subscribe. There will be more unboxing videos. Sorry, this one was kind of just more timid and mid because it's just kind of hard to get pumped up when you're just pulling the same hollows over and over. But like I said, still fun to do. And until the next video, peace.
My head.